This is number 1 canvas, a 5x7. And this was just out of the paint bottle. And then my number 2 canvas, which is a 5x7 as well. I had this cup and mixed the colors in. Which is just an applesauce recyclable cup that I keep, which is hence the reason right there. And then this is number 2 canvas, 5x7. And I really love this one. This is probably one of my favorites. Oops. And yeah, I really loved how it turned out. I did a side-to-side motion and a up and down motion to get the effect, and then I just let the paint do its work. Turned out really pretty. I love how the colors are blended. I used African violet, a deep red, a white, which was like a shiny white, and the tropical blue it's called. And they're all acrylic paint. And then ones I did like a long while back. Also acrylic pour. And this one I was just experimenting with different strokes and techniques. And I actually, it is 2019. And then this one is 2017. So I do really love that one as well. And that's all she wrote. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and any comments if you'd like. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.